Investing in the stock market has always been about looking ahead, rather than focusing only on what is happening today. The companies that generate the greatest long-term returns are often those that identify major trends before everyone else and continue innovating for years. Over the next decade, advancements in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, digital payments, healthcare, renewable energy, semiconductors, e-commerce, and cybersecurity are expected to reshape the global economy. While no investor can predict the future with complete certainty, certain companies have already built strong competitive advantages that position them to benefit from these long-term trends. These businesses have proven management teams, healthy balance sheets, consistent revenue growth, strong cash flow, global customer bases, and business models capable of adapting to changing market conditions. It is important to remember that no stock is guaranteed to outperform, and every investment carries risk. However, the following companies possess many of the characteristics that long-term investors often seek when building portfolios designed to grow over many years. In this video, we'll explore 10 companies that could potentially dominate the next decade and examine why they continue attracting the attention of investors worldwide. Today, we will talk about these 10 stocks could dominate the next decade. So, before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stock #1 NVIDIA has become one of the world's most influential technology companies, thanks to its leadership in graphics processing units, artificial intelligence, data centers, and high-performance computing. As AI continues transforming industries, including healthcare, finance, manufacturing, transportation, and scientific research, NVIDIA's advanced chips remain at the center of this technological revolution. The company's continuous innovation, strong research capabilities, and growing demand for AI infrastructure position it as one of the most closely watched companies for long-term growth. Although valuation and competition remain important considerations, NVIDIA's leadership in AI hardware gives it significant opportunities moving forward. Stock tag 2, Microsoft has evolved far beyond its Windows operating system. Today, it generates substantial revenue from cloud computing, enterprise software, cybersecurity, productivity tools, gaming, and artificial intelligence. Its Azure cloud platform continues competing successfully in one of the fastest-growing technology markets, while products such as Microsoft 365 remain essential for businesses around the world. Strategic investments in AI have further strengthened Microsoft's long-term outlook, making it one of the strongest technology companies globally. Stock tag 3 Apple remains one of the world's most valuable companies due to its extraordinary brand loyalty, premium products, and integrated ecosystem. Millions of customers continue purchasing iPhones, MacBooks, Apple Watches, AirPods, and subscription services year after year. Beyond hardware, Apple's growing services business generates recurring revenue through digital content, cloud storage, payment services, and software subscriptions. This combination of loyal customers, strong cash flow, and continuous innovation positions Apple for sustained, long-term success. Stock #4 Amazon has transformed global commerce through e-commerce, cloud computing, logistics, digital advertising, streaming services, and artificial intelligence. While many consumers recognize Amazon for online shopping, Amazon Web Services remains one of the world's largest cloud computing businesses, supporting thousands of companies globally. Continued investments in automation, robotics, logistics efficiency, and AI could further strengthen Amazon's competitive position throughout the coming decade. Stock #5 Alphabet, the parent company of Google, dominates internet search while expanding into artificial intelligence, cloud computing, digital advertising, autonomous vehicles, and productivity software. Google's search engine remains one of the most widely used digital platforms in history, generating enormous advertising revenue. Meanwhile, investments in AI, cloud infrastructure, and emerging technologies provide additional growth opportunities beyond traditional online advertising. Stock hash 6 Meta Platforms continues investing heavily in artificial intelligence, digital advertising, messaging platforms, wearable technology, and virtual reality. Billions of users engage daily across its family of social media applications, creating one of the world's largest digital ecosystems. While competition and regulatory challenges remain significant, Meta's enormous user base, advertising platform, and AI initiatives provide substantial long-term growth potential. Stock hashtag 7 Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. Semiconductors power nearly every modern technology, from smartphones and computers to electric vehicles and AI servers. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company has established itself as one of the world's most advanced semiconductor manufacturers. Many leading technology companies depend on its manufacturing capabilities, because designing advanced chips requires highly specialized expertise and enormous capital investment. As demand for AI, cloud computing, automotive electronics, and connected devices grows, semiconductor manufacturing remains critically important. Stock hashtag 8 Eli Lilly Healthcare continues representing one of the most resilient sectors within the global economy. Eli Lilly has attracted significant attention due to innovations in diabetes treatments, obesity medications, neuroscience, oncology, and other therapeutic areas. As populations age and healthcare demand increases worldwide, pharmaceutical companies capable of developing effective treatments may experience sustained long-term growth. Continued research and successful product development remain essential for maintaining this momentum. Stock hashtag 9 Visa Digital Payments continue replacing cash transactions across the world. Visa operates one of the largest electronic payment networks globally, processing billions of transactions each year. As e-commerce expands, international travel recovers, and digital financial services become increasingly common, electronic payment processing may continue growing for many years. Visa benefits from network effects, global acceptance, and strong relationships with financial institutions. Stock hashtag 10 Broadcom has become an important player in semiconductor technology, networking equipment, enterprise software, and infrastructure solutions. The company supplies components essential for data centers, telecommunications, cloud computing, broadband networks, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. As global demand for faster connectivity and advanced computing continues increasing, Broadcom's diversified technology portfolio provides multiple avenues for long-term growth. Why these companies share similar characteristics? Although these companies operate in different industries, they share several important qualities. They possess strong competitive advantages, global customer bases, experienced management teams, substantial research and development budgets, healthy cash flow, and the ability to adapt to technological change. Many also generate recurring revenue through subscriptions, software, digital services, or long-term customer relationships. These characteristics often contribute to business resilience during changing economic conditions. The importance of diversification, even though these companies appear well-positioned for future growth, concentrating investments in only a few stocks increases portfolio risk. Unexpected competition, technological disruption, regulatory changes, economic recessions, or management mistakes can affect even the strongest businesses. Diversification across industries and asset classes helps reduce the impact of unexpected developments while maintaining exposure to long-term growth opportunities. If you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.